my name's Caleb, and I work on the Brewing Futures Mobile CAFE. Honestly, I guess I can't say I have a favorite part because I love doing everything on there, to making drinks, to cashier. I mean, I love it all. Definitely customer service. I have learned to step outside my comfort zone a lot because when I first started on here, I told Kimball and Steiny that I won't talk to anybody through the window, I won't socialize. I said I will stay in the back and make drinks, and that's about it. And probably a couple days after I said that and I worked a shift, I mean, I was in that window taking orders, and they definitely reassured me that, you know, there's nothing to be afraid of. You definitely get more teamwork skills. I've really learned a lot from these experiences. And so now whenever we clear the line and we don't have any customers, I mean, me and the other students, I mean, we all sit there and chit chat about stuff. I do really like to work out in the community. I love to help people in any way I can. I mean, sometimes it is still a little challenging with my anxiety, and getting up in front of people isn't the easiest. But I mean, I'm still working on that, and the truck helps me with that a lot. It definitely feels very great just because you're helping someone out, and I do love helping people out. So, you know, I'll make a drink, they'll make a drink, and you know, we'll just go step by step, and we'll go down the menu and say, hey, what do you want to make? Let's make something. And eventually, they're able to make everything on the menu we have, and it's just a very great experience. You know, I'll throw out a game plan and be like, hey, we're gonna put, you know, drinks on this side, we're gonna put a Nesco over here, then we're gonna put the microwave over here. I mean, I throw out a game plan of how I'm gonna do things, and then I always say, you know, if anybody has any ideas, you know, I'd love to hear them. I do feel very confident while I'm working. You know, I'm good at what I do, and I like that I'm very appreciated there too. That kind of makes me feel good about what I do. Since I've been working on there for so long, I love who I work with. I wouldn't change anything about it.